If you're seeing a OneDrive error when signing in, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. Whether OneDrive is stuck on signing in, keeps loading forever, or shows a login error, these methods can help you get back into your account quickly. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the quickest test, which is opening OneDrive in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a clean browser session without your usual cookies, cache, or extensions. Now go directly to the OneDrive web sign-in page and try logging in again. If OneDrive works in private mode, that usually means your normal browser data is causing the issue. It could be a bad cookie, a corrupted cache file, or even an extension blocking the login page. If it still fails in private mode, then the issue may be related to your Microsoft account or even a service problem on Microsoft's side. Next, if private mode worked or you still want to rule out browser problems, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes for sign-in errors, because old login data can cause endless loops, blank pages, or pages that refuse to load correctly. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. Set the time range to all time or everything if that option appears. Then make sure you check cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data, close the browser, reopen it, and try signing into OneDrive again. If the login still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy extensions can sometimes interfere with Microsoft's authentication scripts. Click the extensions icon in your browser, usually the puzzle piece in the top right corner, and temporarily disable anything that could be blocking scripts, cookies, or tracking protection. That includes ad blockers like uBlock Origin, privacy shields, and security extensions. After turning them off, refresh the OneDrive page and try signing in again. A lot of people overlook this step, but it solves the problem more often than you'd think. Now, if none of that worked, it's time to check whether the problem is actually happening on Microsoft's end. Open a new tab and search for status.cloud.microsoft. Look for OneDrive or Microsoft account status and see if there is an active outage in your region. If Microsoft is having server issues, there may be nothing wrong with your browser at all, and you'll just need to wait until the outage is resolved. If the service looks fine, the next step is to verify your Microsoft account status. Go to account.microsoft.com and try signing in there directly. If your account is locked, flagged for security review, or needs a password reset or verification code, this page will usually tell you exactly what's happening. Follow the on-screen instructions if Microsoft asks you to confirm your identity, update your password, or approve a security prompt. That can instantly fix the OneDrive sign-in problem if the issue is account-related. At this point, if OneDrive is still not signing in, go back and test the basics one more time. Make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account, your internet connection is stable, and no VPN or privacy tool is interfering with the login process. Sometimes simply switching browsers can also help, especially if one browser has damaged profile data and another one is working normally. And if you're still stuck after trying all of these steps, it may be time to use the Microsoft support tools or contact support for deeper account or sync troubleshooting. But in most cases, one of these fixes will get OneDrive signing in again without too much hassle. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck getting OneDrive working again.